Hi guys, today I'm going to be giving you my tour of this notebook, so let's get started. Because this has a lot of things to show, so I'm going to show you some of the things that I can like. I'm going to show you all of the things, so let's get started. So to the first page of my diary. So when you open my diary, you see that the things I really like these things. That's true. And the next thing is you see the scenario I like, and this is the information about me, like not too much, but I just wrote this. So the thing I like is having scenario stuff. Yeah, I really like to have scenario stuff. Like I just love it. And then I like to be very much creative because I love creativity. I love to do things that I love, and I also like to be kind. Yeah, it's sometimes like you have to be kind to the person. You have to be nice. You have to be good. And I also love aesthetic. So more aesthetic. Yeah. The scenario I like is my favorite scenario character is Kawomi. Kawomi is really nice. She's cute. She has my favorite color in her, and I really like her. That is why. The next thing I like in the scenario is I like cinnamon roll a lot. As you can see here, I really like cinnamon roll. I also like My Melody. She's on third, and I also like Hello Kitty, and she's on fourth. Pochaco is not too much, but 5 will do that. So this is the things I wrote, and over here I wrote my favorite color, light lilac, really light. So that's like I wrote it over here. Then you see the next page. Yep, this is the next page, and I have wrote over here is Imandarvi, and I also wrote I love lilac because I just love it. And it is my favorite color. Look, I also have my cover of the diary lilac and blue, because blue is the second one and the first is lilac. So we turn the next page. You can see this next page you see is notes. Yep, the notes over here are written, and this is the notes about my school that I just have to memorize. Like I have to just keep them in my mind, so that is why I just wrote them over here. Then the next thing on the next page over here you see is a journal. I just make the highlighters with my midliners that I ordered from the last. I use these to make the journal thingy. Yep, window. Yeah. Then I just wrote it about my school. Like now I love my school because you have a lot of fun there, and you can just learn, you can make friends, and you can also be very happy. And I just wrote it over here, and this is, you can see. So then the next page you see is the chapter 1, as you can see it over here. Yep, the chapter 1. The chapter 1 is the short forms. I just wrote the short forms because I just wanted to, because I don't know why. Like I wanted to, yeah. So short forms to learn and remember, so easy on other page. Look. So this is the short forms. I also made this with my pastel highlighters, like I did with pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. So this is how I make it. Okay, this one is really this one is really common. You use it on WhatsApp. So it's just JK, just kidding. And IK means I know. You just know it. Like it's so easy. Man, come on. The third one is IDK. It means I don't know. Yeah, everyone should know that. That is just a possibility. IDC means I don't care. Same. Everyone know that. A US. You're stupid. Like I made this myself, maybe. Yeah. Then you are just means you are, because you are is the thing you are. Then you, a letter U is equals to you, because it's you. Yeah, it's you. Then WST means what is this? And I really made this myself. I think so. Yeah, I made it myself, I think so. Yeah, I think I made it myself. Yeah, I'm sure I made it. So let's get to the next page, guys. Enough of the sharp ones. Now I'm tired of them. So the next thing you see is the chapter 2. Yeah, it is the chapter 2. I just made the tag of it and I just wrote away chapter 2. So the chapter 2 is drawing a cute drawing. Draw a cute drawing, because you have to draw a cute 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 just like you have to draw a cute drawing. Yeah, now that's serious. So to make the cute drawing, I choose an ice cream. As you can see over here, I wrote ice cream on the title and just make the I just made the rainbow one and then the strawberry one and the blueberry one. So I really like the rainbow one because it is just my style. So the next thing you see is this, and I really love this drawing. I made it myself. It is strawberry edition sketch. I made it myself. I did it on my own style. You just need to make a girl in this. Just need the strawberry. You can make it any edition, like it's your choice. Because I also made a tag over here, and then on the next page is the orange sketch. Like orange color is orange, so I just make the orange sketch. I did just 4 drawings of these sketches of girls. This is the orange color, and I made it with the fruit orange. It was easy, it was nice. I also made this on my channel. You can see and watch the short of it. It is really easy to make it, and I made it myself. The next thing you see is the mango sketch. It is the color mango edition. It is the yellow sketch, but it is supposed to be a fruit, so I just did a mango edition, and this is, you see it. I really like this one, but my favorite is the strawberry one because I just like the strawberry one so much. And then we turn to the next page. So on the next page you see is the cute girl sketch in color green. So the green is the color, like you have to do it green, and the grapes are the addition for the fruit. So I draw some grapes over here, as you can see, and this is a girl in the grape edition, and it is really nice. I also like this one, but my favorite one of these drawings are the strawberry one. Like I have so many to show, but I like the strawberry one in these 4 sketches. It is really nice. It is like good because I like strawberries and they are nice, and yeah, I like strawberries. So the next thing you see is you just turn the page, and this is the planning that I wrote for Friday. Like you have to wake up at 6 a.m. and many more, like come back from a walk and like do breakfast. There's so much over here, like it's just too much. So like I also made more plannings like this one, and this is the for Saturday. Like I wrote over here Saturday, so this planner is for Saturday. And on the next page is also another planning. Like I do planning so I can know what I have to do. It is also wake up at 6 a.m. because I just wake up at 6 a.m. usually, and this is like I do wake up at 6 a.m. usually. And then this is the Sunday. This is the Sunday, and like it's so much. Now let's go to the other one. So I made this for Tuesday, and it was nice. Like I made this on Tuesday. It was good. I made this for Tuesday, and I like this one too. So on the next page, and I think this is the final and the last page of the diary because I have a lot of pages to do. So I want you guys to comment and tell me what should I do on the next pages. You see on these pages I have like the strawberry themed journal, and I also made a short of this. If you guys remember, it was easy, it was nice, it was aesthetic, it was ASMR, and I also like it. So guys, I would like to say this is the last page and the final page of the diary, so please subscribe, share your videos, and enough for the video today. So stay tuned for more videos, and bye.